Tony from Lift and Level. Today we're at Minchinbury. We're doing a void fill, water retention, and slab has dropped. Every time a forklift or a truck goes over it, you'll see the slab move and water does come out. So we'll show you the video. So as you've seen, everything was done 100%. We offer a lifetime warranty. We were working on a Sunday today. Obviously it's a freight company and they can't stop working during the week, so we did come out on a Sunday, got it all done with for them. Now we do commercial, residential and industrial. So anything you guys